Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to clear your WhatsApp storage. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on my WhatsApp business right here. And after you click on your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the top right there. Click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for data and storage. So click on that and it take you right here. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage storage. And you'll be taken to this particular page right here. Now, so at the time of making this video, this is the number of megabytes I've consumed so far, and then you will see some of the files that you will need to delete in order to free up more storage in your WhatsApp. Starting from larger than 5 MB right here, what you need to do is to review some of the files that you will need to delete. And for you to do that, simply click on here. And it's open up like so. Next thing we need to do is to simply click on here to select all. Having select all the file, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on trash bin right here. Then click on delete. And click on delete. It has successfully deleted. So, and one more thing you can do here, you can review your chat. So under the chat section right here, so you can simply select on any contact that you would like to delete some of their chat history. So click on it and it's load up like so. What you need to do is to simply click on select all. Once you select all, come to the top right here and then hit on delete, and all the file will be deleted from your WhatsApp. You can still have some of the media file in your phone gallery, but in your WhatsApp, they are going to be deleted, and by then you'll be able to free up more space in your WhatsApp. You can go on and check on some of other files that you will need to delete from your WhatsApp, and by doing that, you are freeing up more space and then save more storage in your WhatsApp media file. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.